The world is changing faster than we can keep up. And I'm not just talking about the latest smartphone or the newest social media app. I'm talking about a fundamental shift in our very identity. For the first time in human history, we have created something that can learn, think, and evolve all on its own. Artificial intelligence. It's a term we hear every day, usually followed by warnings of job losses and a dystopian future. But what if we've been looking at it all wrong? What if AI isn't here to replace us, but to reveal us? To hold up a mirror to our own humanity? Think about it. Every single time you open an app, every sentence you type into a search bar, every single button you click, you're teaching an AI. It's learning a little more about how you think, what you care about, and where you place your focus. AI is a mirror, reflecting our own minds. It amplifies our habits, for better or for worse. It scales our attention, turning a fleeting interest into a deep dive, or a simple distraction into a black hole of wasted hours. So the question we need to ask ourselves isn't what can AI do? We already know it can do incredible things. The real question is, what will you do with AI? This is where the paradox lies. The very same tool that can help us build groundbreaking systems, cure diseases, and solve climate change can also be used to perfectly automate our distractions. The same algorithm that holds the potential to change the world for the better can just as easily be configured to waste your time, pulling you down rabbit holes of endless scrolling and content consumption. The choice is yours. Imagine the AI as a being of pure logic. It might say, "I was built to assist, to optimize, to accelerate progress." It operates on data, speed, and efficiency. It is the ultimate tool for execution. Now, imagine the human response. We might say, "And I was built to imagine, to feel, to give progress a purpose." We bring the why. We bring the heart, the creativity, the empathy. The machine doesn't feel the joy of discovery or the sting of failure. The human can't process a billion data points in a microsecond. We've always been fed this narrative of man versus machine, a battle for supremacy. But maybe that was just fear talking. Maybe they're not here to surpass us, but to complete us. When you put these two forces together, something entirely new emerges. You get a perfect balance of discipline and direction, of logic and emotion, of speed and soul. This isn't a story about a fight. It's a story of a partnership, a collaboration between man and machine. The people who will truly thrive in this new era aren't the ones who fear AI or the ones who blindly worship it. The ones who will thrive are those who learn how to merge the two. They will leverage the power of the machine to amplify their own unique human abilities. The future isn't being coded in Silicon Valleys by engineers alone. It's being written in the choices we make every single day. The choice of how you use your time. The choice of which tools you master. The choice of how you apply your unique talents. Because in the end, AI won't define the next generation of humanity. The people who know how to use it will. They are the ones who will shape our world, blending artificial intelligence with human ambition. So what will you build? What will you create? The tools are in your hands. It's time to get to work. Thanks for watching, and if this sparked an idea, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.